आई हैव ऑलवेज बिन अ वेरी वेरी बिग फूडी और जब मेरे ऑफिस के इंदौरी लोगों ने कहा कि हमारे इंदौर में तो बेस्ट खाना मिलता है, ऑफ कोर्स आई वेंट. हाय एवरीवन, आई एम रिचा फ्रॉम जस्ट रिचा हियर एंड आई लव टॉकिंग अबाउट फूड एंड मोर. बट मोर अबाउट द मोर लेटर, बट द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज दैट मेरे ऑफिस में इंदौरीज की कमी नहीं है. एंड वन थिंग दे लव टॉकिंग अबाउट इज देयर फूड. एंड तब मैंने सोचा, यार ऐसा क्या है? And that's when began a solo adventure to Indore. Now, honestly, I'd gone for a work trip on a Friday and decided to stay over the weekend to explore Indore. More about what to explore in Indore later, but let me talk to you about the food scene in Indore. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first thing that I had was honestly something I was not expecting. And let me explain. So I had had a very tiring day at Rajwada Palace because I was just exploring the place, chilling there, and the heat really got to me. So I really wanted something refreshing. तो मैं वहाँ से निकली एंड आई रिमेंबर्ड दैट मेरी फ्रेंड ने बताया था कि नागौरी की शिकंजी बहुत फेमस है. एंड आई चेक्ड ऑन मैप्स एंड इट वाज नॉट इवन लाइक 100 meters away. आई एम लाइक भाई यहाँ तो जाना बनता है. एंड व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट शिकंजी, आई थिंक अबाउट नींबू पानी. ठीक है, तो जब मैं नागौरी पे गई और उन्होंने बोला कि हम आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हैं, आई वाज़ वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड क्योंकि मैंने बोला कि यार मतलब आपके पास पानी, नींबू, थोड़े मसाले तो होने ही चाहिए ना, कोई भी दुकान में होते हैं. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर सेइंग यू आर फेमस फॉर शिकंजी एंड ऑल.
Say hard luck, no shikanji at Nagori shikanji.
सो आई वाज़ लाइक ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. आई वेंट टू दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड अग्रवाल मिष्ठान भंडार. नाउ दे हैड द शिकंजी, बट नॉट द शिकंजी दैट आई वांटेड.
Shikanji from Agarwal Mishtan Bhandar. It's quite nice. It's quite different. I thought shikanji is supposed to be nimbu pani, but here I got a thick drink. I'm losing my mind because it's very thick. But
And turns out Shikanji in Indore is not what I was expecting. It's made out of hunkered, full cream, dry fruits, kesar, elaichi. It's like almost like a lassi, a little bit more thicker and very, very decadent. So I was very confused when I got it because, first of all, I was not expecting that. But the more I had it, the more I liked it. And I think I would definitely have it again. And now with the mindset कि मुझे एक sweet dish खानी है, and I will give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. Now, though I really needed some solid khana, so I went towards Vijay Chaat House. The next item on my list was khopra patties. तो आपने जीवन में कभी तो आलू टिक्की खाई होगी. Now imagine aloo tikki stuffed with this very spiced coconut and dry fruits mix and just like fried to this golden perfection. That is essentially what khopra patties is. I will name it शाही आलू टिक्की because किसी चीज़ में अगर आप ड्राई फ्रूट्स डाल दो तो वो शाही बन ही जाता है. Now, khopra patties was very very yummy
I'm truly enjoying it. It's yummy.
and I really really wanted to go for a second, but मैंने control किया क्योंकि I had a very long night ahead. So I really like said to myself कि रिचा control control.
Control, control, Uday.
I would rate this a solid 8.7 out of 10. After eating, I explored a little bit more of Indore. I did some shopping and then decided कि मैं होटल जाके अपना सामान छोड़ दूंगी and then I can prepare for the scrumptious night ahead. And lo and behold, it decides to rain. हाय रे मेरी फूटी किस्मत. I went back to my hotel. I sulked on the bed, looking outside the window every 2 minutes कि भाई अब तो रुक जा, बारिश रुक जा, please रुक जा. And then after about an hour or so, it decides to stop raining. भगवान ने मेरी ख्वाहिश सुन ली. And that's when I dressed into some very comfy yet practical clothes and headed to Sarafa. So this is my Sarafa look. It's pretty much what I wore during the day, but I changed from my Vans and took my Crocs because it has rained and my chaplis can handle them. And then I'm taking a fanny pack. I've taken a backpack during the day, but a fanny pack makes more sense because it's more accessible. It's very easily accessible. So yeah, this is going to be my look, and I've tied my hair because I'm ready to eat. Let's go. By the way, for those of you who don't know, there are two very, very popular food markets in Indore. One is Sarafa and one is Chappan. Let's start with Sarafa. Located on the streets next to Rajwada Palace, this is a popular destination for many reasons. This street houses chamchamate hue jewelry shops by the day and turns into a foodie's paradise by the night. Honestly, Sarafa is every foodie's dream. I तो hit to my heart's content here. Still craving for more. जब तक मेरे पेट ने नहीं कहा बस बहन हो गया. So I was given multiple food lists by my friends from Indore, and this dish was on every list. This is a speciality in Indore, abundant during monsoon, because that's when corn production is at its peak. Well, if you're from Indore, you would have guessed this is Bhutte Kees. It's made with crushed corn, spices, a little bit of milk, and it's topped off with grated coconut, coriander, and lemon. Now, I can understand how this can be a comfort food to many. And I personally really like corn, but I feel like having this dish is a little bit of an acquired taste.
Very interesting.
मेरे पैलेट को जमा नहीं, maybe it was very hot or I don't know, but I would rate it a 6 out of 10. The next item on my list was kachori, and I went to this dukan and its name was Sarafa Ki Swadisht Samosa Kachori, which was on the left as soon as you enter Sarafa, right opposite Vijay Chaat House. Now I really love kachori, and this was just perfect. Perfectly crispy on the outside, and the dal filling was also very yum. A solid 9 out of 10. You can't go wrong with kachori. If you do go wrong with kachori, you've not really had nice kachori. Now I really needed a drink to wash down all the decadent food that I had had, and something that was not misleading like shikanji, no offense. So I went to this thela that was selling nariyal pani, but with a malai twist. But ये आपकी दूध वाली मलाई नहीं है. It is actually the coconut वाली मलाई only. Well, I will let the video do the talking, or rather, Naveen Bhaiya, Sarafa famous Naveen Bhaiya.
ये भैया नवीन का कोकोनट क्रश किसी जूस से कम नहीं, नवीन का कोकोनट क्रश किसी भी जूस से कम नहीं, और इंदौर का सराफा किसी लंदन से कम नहीं।
वाह वाह.
जब मालवा की शान और इंदौर की जान, तो सराफा चौपाटी की पहचान, द नवीन वर्ल्ड फेमस। अरे अखियाँ तोड़ के जाना नहीं छोड़ के, चले आओ तोड़ के सुपर माल मिलेगा मक्खन वनीला। ये देख द नवीन वर्ल्ड फेमस। जब मजा ना आए पीने में तो रिपोर्ट लिखाओ खाने में। तो जब मजा ही इतना आएगा पीने में तो कैसे लिखाओगे रिपोर्ट खाने में।
Thank you.
Well, wasn't that entertaining? And honestly, while all of that entertainment aside, this was so yummy. Why do they not sell it everywhere? It is just so delicious. I mean, solid 10 on 10. I don't even have to like rate this one. I will go to Indore and have only this. It was just yummy. मैंने बहुत सारे चीज़ों को उड़ते हुए देखा है. एरोप्लेन, चिड़िया, मम्मी की चप्पल. बट क्या आपने कभी दही वड़े को उड़ते हुए देखा है? Well, after the very yummy coconut crush, I went to have some dahi vada at Joshi Dahi Vada House. This place is located smack in the middle of Sarafa and attracts people from everywhere for two main reasons. वहाँ के दही वड़े और जोशी जी जो उसे उड़ाते हैं. नहीं मान रहे हो ना तो मेरी बात? अब ये देखो.
ये लो
अब इस पे है ना मसाला डालता हूँ, ध्यान से देखो। ये नमक, ये लाल मिर्च, ये काली मिर्च, ये जीरा, ये
चटनी वटनी डालेंगे, चटनी मीठी चटनी।
ये चटनी इस रास्ते से अंदर गई थी।
ठीक है, धन्यवाद। एक चम्मच दे दीजिए।
Hi, I'm telling you, this dahi vada was so yum. मतलब perfectly spongy. The way it had soaked the curd. भाई दिल आ गया उस पे. This was a very close second to my mom's dahi vada. I will rate this a solid 9.5 out of 10. Now, after all that I had, I really needed to try some dessert. First item on the list was a jaleba, which is like this 1 kg jalebi that you get in Indore. But मैं अकेली थी and I could not have had that on my own. So yeah, hopefully someday if you're from Indore and want to have jaleba with me, like DM me on Instagram. So anyways, that didn't happen. So I was just walking down the street and I found this uncle who was loaded with so much gold. And this place was called Prakash Kulfi Faluda. So I went there, I got a nice picture with him, and I ordered the Shahi Gold Faluda, which is like, gold to hona hi chahiye usme. And when I got it, I googled him and I found out that he was quite the rage. So I had the faluda and it was very yummy to start off with, but middle में थोड़ा वो ज़्यादा sweet हो गया and I got sweet saturated. Like I get sweet saturated very easily. I'm not a very sweet person. I'm a very savory person. So yeah, this was a little bit outside my domain, but still very nice. I think if I would have shared it, I would have really liked it. A solid 7 on 10. अब मैंने honestly काफ़ी खाना खा लिया था and सोचा, let's leave Sarafa. You have eaten enough and I was alone. There were a lot of other things I wanted to try, but obviously मैं अकेले कितना ही खाऊंगी. But as I was leaving, I found this place that was selling 12 flavors of pani with their pani puri. And if you know me, I love ending on a savory note, as I said, after my sweet saturation. So I went and I had 12 flavor ki pani puri. Well, it was very very confusing क्योंकि मतलब 12 तरीके के पानी थे and after a point everything got mixed in my mouth, which is supposed to happen, but ऐसे flavor ही नहीं पता चल रहा था. I think I will stick to my tikhi pani. Love tikha pani puri. So this was a 6 out of 10. It was truly a night well spent at Sarafa and I'm so glad I went, even though it was alone, even though it rained. सब कुछ हो गया उस दिन में, but I went and I was so happy. But can you guess how much I spent here? It was only rupees 423. 423 for 8 dishes. That's absolutely insane. I don't know where I'll have so much food for such less price. So after all that food that I had, I took an auto to my hotel and just called it a night. Day 2 was supposed to be a little bit more chill क्योंकि मेरा flight था शाम को and I didn't want to pack it up with too many things. So I woke up in the morning, checked out of my hotel and left the luggage at the hotel and headed to have some poha jalebi. Now, poha is this one dish that is served at the breakfast table across many households in India. मेरी मम्मी भी पोहे बनाती थी बचपन में और अभी भी बनाती है and she has the habit of mixing all the vegetables there and adding the groundnut for sweetness. But let me tell you about Indoris. Their affection for poha jalebi is just next level and it is quite contagious and for good reason क्योंकि जब मैंने सैनी के उसल पोहे खाए with jalebi, by God मुझे जो मज़ा आया है. Yeah, I'm telling you, वो खाने के बाद ना like मज़ा ही आ गया यार. मतलब I can go back to Indore to have this again and again and again. And that's saying a lot after a night at Sarafa. Bhai, this is a 10 on 10. You have won my heart with Poha Jalebi Indore. I loved it. Baby, I loved it. After a filling and fulfilling breakfast, I did some shopping and had some Nimbu Pani, after which I met my friend who used to work at Grow. She took me to Chappan. As the name suggests, Chappan has 56 shops that are lined back to back with a variety of food. Now, what sets Chappan apart from Sarafa is that number one, it is open all day, unlike Sarafa, which is only open at night. Number two, it has very well established 56 shops, unlike Sarafa, where a lot of the vendors they sell food on portable carts. And number three, it has a little bit more of a modern touch, unlike the very quaint yet charming lanes of Sarafa. When I was headed to Indore, I heard a very interesting fact that one of the most ordered dishes in all of Asia was from India and more specifically from Indore. So, of course, I had to go and try it. So, my friend and I headed to Johnny's Hot Dog where we ordered the egg banjo. Egg banjo is a very perfect either a breakfast or an evening snack option, and I really, really enjoyed it. But the fact is, basically, Johnny's veg hot dog beat all the major fast food eateries to become the most ordered dish in all of Asia. Can you imagine that? That's insane. It blew my mind, honestly. Now, this dish was a 8 out of 10 for sure. The next thing that I had was Sam's Momos. Again, extremely famous, but it's not something I very specifically remember on how it was. So I think it would have been a 6 out of 10 maybe. If dhokla had a sibling, it would be called khaman. So khaman, unlike its sibling dhokla, which is made from dal and rice, is made from chickpea flour and steamed like cake. This dish was truly, truly something very yummy, and I'm sure my friend can vouch for it. This was a 8.5 out of 10. I really wanted to stuff myself at Chappan, but again, I did not because I had to fly back and also it had started to drizzle. My friend very graciously offered to take me to her house, but before that, we made a quick pit stop at Sheetal's where we had kulfi. Now, that kulfi was just the dessert that I needed after a very, very long day. It was light yet decadent, very, very yummy. I though very much enjoyed it, and I will rate this a 9 out of 10. Must have if you go to Indore. After the kulfi, my friend took me to her house where we just caught up a little bit, and then she dropped me off at Mahinder Ki Namkeen. And when I went there, that's when I got a true sense of the farsan in India. क्योंकि जब व्हेन आई वाज वेटिंग देयर ना आई वाज डिसाइडिंग कि क्या लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है वगैरह वगैरह एंड दिस मैन वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली कम्स इन ही इज लाइक said the names of some 3 to 4 types of save कि ये 100 ग्राम ये 200 ग्राम ये 500 ग्राम buys it and leaves and I'm just like, I was so intimidated, honestly. I don't get intimidated easily. And that's when I was just like, what do I buy? But then I ended up buying some Ratlami Save. Again, a recommendation from my friends. So thanks, friends from Indore. And I also bought some Khatta Meetha. Bhai, ye Khatta Meetha. I came back to Bangalore and had it with my friends. And dude, it is so banger. Honestly, love Mahinder Ki Namkeen ka khatta meetha. After Farsan shopping, my time in Indore had come to an end. I headed back to my hotel, took my luggage, then headed to the airport. At the airport, I was flying back with 2 friends from work because I told you it was a work event at the end of the day. And one of my friends very sweetly got me his favorite dessert, which is called gupchup. And that gesture was just so sweet. So gupchup is basically like this mawa like covering over a very small yellow rasgulla. Bhai, it was just so good. And he said it spoils easy, so he wanted to give it to me fresh. And that gesture, plus like the taste of it, just was very heartwarming. 9 out of 10, a 10 out of 10 actually, because of that. Loved it. So good. My flight was delayed by 4 plus hours, and that's when you get a snack box and you also get some khana. So we got some khichdi, which was really very comforting before hopping onto my flight for home. All in all, my trip to Indore was nothing short of lovely. I would really want to take my friends here to have more food because there's just so much variety in both Sarafa and Chappan and just around Indore. So, honestly, all my friends who told me that food is best in Indore, I really appreciate you because I really had a very good time. So, thank you so much for all your lists and all your effort you put into making sure that I had a good Indore experience. I will take you back and we will have more food. But until then, I am Richa. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will come back with another video. But until then, please like, share, and subscribe. This is my first video. I'm very nervous putting it out there, but I want to do this more often. So I will see you again. Bye bye.